Whether you're pushing a grocery cart or putting on shoes, you use your core to accomplish a lot of everyday activities. Hey there viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live healthy lifestyle. Your core includes your erector spinae, a back muscle that extends up your trunk. Rectus abdominis, which is an abdominal muscle sometimes called the six-pack muscle. Pelvic floor. Diaphragm. Your internal oblique and external oblique that help you rotate or bend your trunk. Transverse abdominis, which wraps around the front and side of your trunk. Glutes. Muscles that attach to the pelvis. The multifidus in your back, which supports your spine. Keeping these muscles strong helps stabilize your body, support your spine, and enhance your overall fitness. Core exercise help build a strong core that will keep you healthy and pain-free. Sculpt your abs while strengthening your core in the same workout. Include these 12 core exercises in your next ab workout to strengthen your core and tone your abs. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so that you don't miss any of our videos. 1. Bridge. This pose activates your glutes to lift your hips, which helps train your core while toning your butt and thighs. This exercise is suitable for beginners. You can make the exercise more challenging by extending one leg out at the top of the bridge. 2. Supine toe tap. It engages your core muscles while working your glutes, hips, and legs. Toe taps also place minimal pressure on your spine. If you have back pain, toe taps may be an ideal alternative to crunches. 3. Crunch. The act of lifting your upper body works your abdominal muscles. Crunches are a classic core strengthening move. If you have occasional low back pain, do crunches with care. And if your low back pain is chronic, talk with a certified trainer or healthcare professional before attempting this. 4. Bird dog. Along with engaging both your abdominal and back muscles, bird dog also challenges your coordination, balance, and stability. 5. Bird dog with elbow to knee. This variation on the basic bird dog incorporates fluid movement to engage your abs and back. This also improves core mobility. Start with one set of 8 to 12 reps. 6. Bicycle crunch. This variation on a regular crunch works your obliques, rectus abdominis, and hips. 7. Warrior crunch. This crunch variation works your core and lower body, including your thighs, glutes, and quads. Try to start with one set of 8 to 12 reps. 8. Plank. The plank is a full-body exercise that targets your core. Planks also strengthens your arms, shoulders, back, glutes, and legs. Once you've mastered all the above moves, challenge yourself to an advanced core routine, which includes 1. Mountain climber. It's an excellent move for balance and core strength, as this intermediate exercise combines a plank with knee movements. 2. Side plank with rotation. As the name suggests, this exercise is an advanced version of the basic plank. It strengthens your arms, shoulders, and obliques by combining a side plank with arm movements. Your core is your center of gravity. A strong core allows for stronger functional movement throughout exercise and everyday life. Whether you're looking to kick-start a regular exercise routine or add an extra push to your existing one, core strengthening moves are a great starting place. You should constantly engage your core, whether you are doing a workout, standing in the kitchen cooking a meal, or sitting down at work. If you're new to exercise or if you haven't exercised in a long time, start with these beginner moves. It may also be a good idea to consult with a personal trainer, if you can, to talk about the right amount of reps and sets for your personal fitness level and goals. If you have a past or current back injury, consult a certified personal trainer. They can show you how to safely tone and train your core. So viewers, how did you like the video? Stay tuned to Fitnify for more health and fitness information videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.